everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another video on the topic how to fix Meta AI on Messenger. If you're having trouble with fixing your Meta AI on Messenger, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from simplest and working our way up, so stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's check if there is an update available for Messenger in your Play Store app or App Store. Go ahead and search Messenger in the Play Store app and then see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures that you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear cache. This helps you clear out old data that might be causing issues. So go to settings and then search apps. Then scroll down until you see the option of Messenger. Once you see, click on the option of Messenger and then go to storage and then hit on clear cache. This clears out old data that might be causing issues. If you're an iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get on into a second. And if none of that helped, go ahead and delete the app from your phone, then reinstall the app with the latest fixes and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems, and there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your Messenger account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.